What if your 9 to 5 wasn't your only option? Today we're breaking down the real stories of 4 people who escaped the rat race, and the exact strategies they used. No theories, no get-rich-quick schemes, just real step-by-step blueprints. You'll see how a sales rep, a teacher, a graphic designer, and a marketing manager built lives of freedom. We'll show you their bank accounts, daily schedules, and the moment they quit for good. This is your roadmap to escape. If you've ever dreamed of more, this is for you. Let's dive in. Ever stare at the clock, counting down the hours in a job you hate? You're told to work for 40 years and hope for freedom at 65. That's a lie, and today, we're smashing it. I'll introduce you to real people who broke out, not actors or overnight successes. We'll dissect their journeys, failures, and breakthroughs. This isn't just motivation, it's a tactical guide. 4 different paths to freedom. One will be your key. Are you ready to find yours? The 9 to 5 is sold as stability, but for most, it's a hamster wheel. Your time, income, and freedom are capped. Most people accept this as fate, never realizing it's a system designed to keep you comfortable, not free. The people in this video felt the same way, until they treated their escape as a project, not a dream. That's the mindset shift you need. Let's see how they did it. Meet Alex, a sales rep who hated being chained to quotas. Instead of wasting evenings, he dove into e-commerce and dropshipping, failing for months and losing money. He found his niche in automated home gadgets, built a brand, and learned ads from free YouTube tutorials. He reinvested every dollar, worked nights, and kept his day job until a viral TikTok changed everything. Orders exploded, his systems were automated, and soon his side hustle out-earned his job. 6 months later, he quit. Now, Alex runs a 7-figure business from his laptop, working 15 hours a week. He didn't invent a product, he built a better system. That's how he escaped. Sarah was a teacher, burnt out and underpaid. She started with house hacking, buying a duplex, living in one half, and renting the other to cover her mortgage. Saving aggressively, she bought more properties, managed them herself, and learned every step. After 5 years, she owned 3 properties with 8 rental units. Her cash flow surpassed her teaching salary. She retired at 34, not 65. Sarah's path wasn't flashy, but it was methodical and reliable. She built freedom one property at a time. You can too. Jamal, a bored corporate designer, wanted more. He built a portfolio, started freelancing, and quickly realized competing on price was a losing game. He niched down to branding for tech startups, became a specialist, and charged premium rates. Nights and weekends, he delivered great work and built a reputation. 18 months later, his freelance income tripled his salary. He quit, set his own hours, and now travels the world. Jamal proved a high-income skill is your ticket out. Specialize, and you can do the same. Anna worked in social media marketing, building brands for others. She started a fitness account, shared real value, and built a loyal following. Her first digital product, a $49 ebook, made $5,000 in a day. She created more products, automated her sales, and built passive income. Anna quit her job within a year. Now, her brand earns more than her old salary, all from sharing her passion. She decoupled time from money. That's true freedom. 4 stories, 4 paths, but the same core principles. Consistency. They showed up daily, even when it was hard. Focus. They picked one path and ignored distractions. Learning. They taught themselves everything they needed. No one started as an expert. Consistency, focus, and learning. These are skills anyone can build. That's the real secret. Let's talk about your escape plan. Here's your 3-step framework. Step 1. Choose your path. Business, property, freelancing, or digital products. Step 2. Commit to 100 hours of focused work and learning. Don't worry about quitting your job or making millions. Just put in the hours. Step 3. Review and reinvest. Take your first wins, however small, and put them back into your project. Track your progress, learn, and repeat. This is how every escape starts. Pick your path, put in the work, and build momentum. Don't overthink it, just begin. Your journey starts with one decision. Ready? Escaping the 9 to 5 is real. These 4 stories prove it. They weren't geniuses, just ordinary people with a plan and relentless action. The only difference between them and everyone else is they took the first step. Your future isn't set in stone. Let this be the video that sparks your escape. Comment which story inspired you most and subscribe for more. Your journey starts now. Let's go.